This is so. This is the best $20 I've ever.
Oh my god.
I just need a burp. Need a beer, Nick? Get that in there. Okay, I need a water. Oh shit. Oh man. It burns the old pee hole. Oh. I don't give that bad. Oh shit! Oh. Yo, vomit. You're gonna vomit? You think?
You're a fucking pussy if you vomit. You fucking pussy. It's like going for the water right away, eh? I can't believe it.